Good day, fellow hams. Good day, mga karadyo. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima, and we have here the Zastone ZT-M10 or the ZT-M10 dual band two-way radio, VHF and UHF. And we have here the box, and also let's see the other content of the box. As you can see, we have here the belt clip, also the lanyard for our radio. Next is we have here the desktop charger for the Zaston ZT-M10 and the adapter. Okay, as you can see, it's a lithium battery charger specifically for the ZT-M10. Also, here is the adapter. Okay, you need to use another connector for the plug and extra type C charging cable for the battery. The battery is can be charged with a type C charger. Also, we have a very unique and good looking antenna, which is also a dual band of VHF and UHF with the with its branding name Zastone. Also, we have here the instructional manual or the instruction manual of the Zaston ZT-M10 12 band two-way radio. So here is the contents of the instruction manual and also other features of the radio, which we can explore and do some tests about the functions of this radio. So we have here the transceiver. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, here is the transceiver itself, the Zastone ZT-M10 on okay, we have a dual PTT key button. Here is the speaker mic port, type C charging battery. Okay, let's put the antenna before we turn on this radio. Not like the Zaston ZT-M9, this Zaston ZT-M10 have the shorter antenna. The Zaston ZT-M9 have the longer, which like a whip antenna. So the battery here is uh, it have a insulation um, cover for its battery terminal for the port. So let's remove this and attach the battery to the radio. Okay, and let's turn on. You can see the Zaston logo, the channel mode. Okay, and let's see other some functions of this Zaston ZT-M10. Okay, some key functions of the Zaston ZT-M10. The radio name, which is can be programmed using a computer or your personal computer or laptop. Okay, so some functions like the device info, embedded information. Okay, so other functions like the power, VOX level, CTCS or DCS tone. Okay, other key functions like the PF3 key, NI, PTT ID, and other usual menu selection of other radios. Okay, so that's it for now, fellow hams. Thank you. And 73. Mabuhay!